Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage priority in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you're juggling multiple tasks and need a clear system to identify what needs your attention first. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and workspaces are displayed. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your sheets and locate the one where you want to manage priority. This could be a project tracker, a task list, or any sheet where you need to organize work by importance. Once you've found the right sheet, click on it to open it up. The first thing we need to do is add a dedicated column for priority. To do this, click on the plus icon or right-click on an existing column header to insert a new column. Name this column priority so it's immediately clear what it represents. For the column type, select drop-down list from the options. This allows you to create a standardized set of priority levels that everyone on your team can use consistently. For this example, we'll use numbers to define priority levels. Set up your drop-down options as follows: 1 for high priority, 2 for medium priority, and 3 for low priority. This numerical system makes it easy to sort and filter your tasks later, ensuring the most urgent items always appear at the top when you need them. After you've configured your priority column, right-click on the priority column header. From the menu that appears, select Add Column Description. This feature is particularly helpful for team collaboration because it provides context about how to use the column properly. In the description field, input a clear explanation of your priority levels. For instance, you might write something like 1 equals high priority, 2 equals medium priority, and 3 equals low priority. This ensures that anyone working on the sheet understands exactly how to categorize their tasks without having to ask for clarification. And that's it. You can now effectively manage your priority in Smartsheet. With this system in place, you'll have a clear visual indicator of what needs immediate attention and what can wait, making your workflow much more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.